Hi everyone, welcome to Virtuous Eunice's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I cook Tola. Tola is one of our local dishes in Sierra Leone. Guys, it comes like beans form, like the broad beans. So when you grind it, it looks like this, like powder. So let's get started. So this is my tola already grinded. On this side, I have my assorted meats. I have my onions and an habanero pepper heart. And I have some pomo called kanda. Okay? And I have a big fish here. Okay? Called kini. Guys, when I went to North Carolina a few weeks ago, my auntie gave it to me. So we're going to use it. I say, may God bless Auntie Margaret. Okay? So I have also my ogiri, fermented sesame seed. Okay? And I have some palm oil. In Nigeria, they call it red oil. So I don't need too much of red oil in this soup. Okay? So first, my meat, this assorted meat is already parboiled. Okay? So I'm just going to put it in my pot. My stove is already on. This assorted meat is pomo. The pomo is here. I have cow skin, known as cow belly. I even have small guts, guys. So guys, the assorted meats that I have here, I have some cow feet, I have some cow skin, okay, which is called kanda, and I have some tribes, which is called cow belly. I also have the intestine too, which called small guts. Okay, guys, so these are all in my pot now. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my onions and my pepper right now, guys. Then I'm going to put some of my fermented sesame seed, homemade sesame seed, guys. So I'm just going to put just a spoon of it. Okay? Then I'm going to add some more water because the water is not enough. Okay, guys? So I have some boiled water. I'm going to add a little bit of it. Okay? I'm not cooking too much of the soup, just small soup. Okay, so be careful of the water you put. But we'll try to put the measurement for you in the description box. Okay? And I'm going to put some of my seasoning for taste. Okay? Just 1 spoon, okay? I might put a little bit of salt later. So I'm going to cover my pot now and allow it to boil. Okay, guys, so let's check at the pot. See, come and see inside. See, it's doing good. Okay, so I didn't put all the fish, but I found out that the fish is hard. So I pick half of the fish, is what I'm putting now. Okay. So this will just be okay for this size of soup. And I want to tell you, this soup is dedicated to my husband, my hubby. I asked him, today is Labor Day. He has been laboring, so I decided to give him what he wants today. So this soup is dedicated to him. Last night, I had a dream. I cooked tola. So when I wake up, I asked him, what do you want today? And he said tola. So I decided to give him what he wants. Okay, guys? He's doing good. Okay guys, see my fish head. I'm going to drop it in this pot. Okay guys, are you seeing inside the pot? I want you to see everything. Guys, the reason why I didn't put my cow skin here is because I don't like my cow skin to be too soggy. Okay, that's why I'm waiting a little bit. So this is my palm oil. I'm going to mix the Tola with the palm oil so that when I put the Tola, it won't form lumps. So that's the reason for me to mix it with the palm oil. Some people put peanut butter, but for me in this Tola I don't want any peanut butter. Sometimes I do, but in this one I'm cooking, I'm not putting any peanut butter. And to be frank, when you put peanut butter, it's good to boil your peanut butter with your alakpa. We call this alakpa, because if you don't do it like that, it causes running stomach. Okay, but one day I will show you how I cook my Tola soup with peanut butter. Okay, so I'm going to put some of the Tola and mix it with my palm oil before pouring it into this pot. Okay guys. Okay guys, so it's time to put our cow skin. So I'm putting my cow skin now. Okay, and I'm going to take out my fish head for now because I don't want the fish head to scatter because of bones. Okay, I will put it back. So at this point in time, it's like my water is too small in the pot. So let me add a little bit of hot water. Okay, so I use 4 regular spoons of this. Okay, and this cup is 1.5, right? So I should say the palm oil is 1 cup. Yes, so I put 1 cup of palm oil, guys. So the skill in cooking this Tola, I'm going to show you. Okay, let it be boiling. Whilst you are turning the Tola, you should be mixing it so that there will be no lumps. Okay, which I'm doing now. I think I got the right measurements. You know, I told you my eyes are big. Guys, yeah, I got the right measurement for the soup. Okay, lower the fire. Okay, okay. The only thing I will need a little bit of more hot water. Make sure you always have hot water. Okay. Okay, in this case, I don't want my Tola to be too thick. You see how it looks like? So I'm going to put a little bit of water. So while cooking it, you have to have your mindset okay, the way you want it. Some people like it thick, but for me, I like it a little bit light. So I'm going to put some more water, okay, because it's going to allow it to boil. Okay, Okay, so I'm going to leave it now to boil well. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, I'm putting back my fish head. Okay, behind the camera I put a pinch of salt. Okay, so it's doing good now. It's really doing good. Okay, Tola is a little bit slimy like Obono, but Tola is brown, Obono is white. Okay, okay guys, just 5 more minutes, it's ready. Okay guys, so it's ready now for dishing. Okay, it's ready. So normally we eat it with rice or you eat it with fufu. Okay guys, but today we're going to eat it with some rice. Okay, I also have quinoa that I can eat it with. Okay, so I'm turning off the stove now and it's ready. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. As you do, God will bless you. We are all working towards 1 million one day, and we will meet and celebrate. As you do, have a wonderful day and happy Labor Day 2020.